Hey everybody, it's Chris Load here, and in this screencast, I'm going to show you how you can uh, really do a customized character in Scratch Junior. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a photo of someone that I want to be as a character in my Scratch Junior creation. So I tap on the plus sign here to add a character, and then I'm going to just tap on this blank one because I don't want any character. I'm going to take a photo of this character. So I tap on this as a blank one, and then I go over here to my editing window. Now, just like you maybe have used the camera to add a face inside a character, what we want to do is we need to add something here. In this case, I'm going to add a square, and I'm going to select a thin line, and I'm going to draw a square here. And by drawing this square, I'm going to be able to fill that space with the camera, whatever I use as the camera. So I'm going to tap on the camera, and then I tap on the square. Now, of course, it's going to want to take a selfie, but I'm going to flip the camera around, and I'm going to take a photo of this character right here. So this is a painting by Germain Arnautovic. Click there. There we go. So I want that character to be in my Scratch creation. So this is the tough part now. So I've taken my photo, it's in a square. Now I don't want that as a square. I'm going to actually hit the check mark, and you can see you don't want that character with all that background. So now I can edit out a lot of this background. So I tap on the editing paintbrush there, and when I tap on this character once, you'll see these little handles appear on the corners, and I can move those around. Now, going to be very hard to do a really good job of editing this character with only 4 handles. But the cool thing is I can add handles. I just tap on this line. I'm going to add a whole pile of handles down here, or these little circles. I just tap on those, and now I can move these to the specific location. I can zoom in. So I want to zoom in here because I want to move this, make this a little more specific in here, so I can add more handles along here. Zoom in there, add a handle there. I'm just going to maybe cut off the person's hair there. So I'm going to add a whole pile of more handles along here and zoom in. I'm going to pause. So you can see I've fast forwarded here, and I've added a whole pile of these little handles or editing handles, and I have cut out the actual background from this character. So now this is what I'm left with. And if I tap on the check there, now I have a character that looks a little bit better, and then that looks more like a character in a story. So you can actually take a photo of something else, edit out the background, and just simply have the character there as one of your characters in your Scratch Junior creation.